Are you passionate about working with children? Do you want a career where you can positively impact young people's lives? If so, we have exciting education opportunities for you. Welcome to the Department of Early Childhood Education at the Education University of Hong Kong. Our department will nurture your passion for early childhood education and empower you to shape your future and the society around you. We offer multiple programs from diploma to doctorate. Let's have a look at your EdUHK journey. The Higher Diploma in Early Childhood Education is a 2-year full-time program that gives students the academic and professional knowledge necessary to become competent, caring, and reflective kindergarten teachers. Graduates are eligible to register as qualified kindergarten teachers, as well as registered childcare workers. But your journey doesn't have to end there. Further studies are available for you to enhance your career prospects, not only in Hong Kong, but also overseas. Our department offers 2 full-time bachelor programs, a 2-year top-up Bachelor's of Arts in Early Childhood and Family Studies, which students can take after they have completed the Higher Diploma program, and also a 5-year Bachelor's of Education in Early Childhood Education. We also offer a postgraduate diploma in education and various master and doctoral programs. The diversity and variety of our programs give you the power to pursue your academic and professional goals in the field of early childhood education, child development, and family studies. With our 2+2+1 study plan, you can earn a higher diploma, a bachelor's degree, and a master's degree in only 5 years. This plan is flexible, comprehensive, and designed to give you advanced knowledge of the field. So what do you need to qualify for our programs? We recognize many qualifications, including A-levels, IB diploma, and bachelor's and master's degrees. We also welcome mature applicants with many years of working experience in the ECE sector to join us. You will also need to meet certain English requirements. If you wish to find out more about the admission requirements for each program, please visit our website. Our department welcomes applications from students from all over the world who share our passion for early childhood education, children, and families. When your studies are over, career opportunities are available in Hong Kong. Graduates with different education levels can apply to work in Hong Kong as kindergarten teachers or childcare workers. When you complete your undergraduate or postgraduate qualifications, you will have the opportunity to apply for the immigration arrangements for non-local graduates. This opens the door for you to stay and work in this energetic and cosmopolitan city. In Hong Kong, you can enjoy our vibrant culture, stunning nature, breathtaking city views, multiple tourist attractions, millions of cultural events, delicious food, and much more. Graduates may also pursue an academic or research career, both in Hong Kong and overseas. The Department of Early Childhood Education at EdUHK is more than a place for learning excellence. It is one of the largest and most prestigious ECE departments in the world. More importantly, we are a vibrant community of educators who embrace students from diverse backgrounds and nationalities. Just like Hong Kong, we are a melting pot of cultures where East meets West. If you share our dream of pursuing or furthering a career in early childhood education, apply to join us at EdUHK and start your study journey with us. We look forward to welcoming you soon.